Hiya, welcome to Yummy Jobs, your gateway to international programs in the USA. We have 3 great programs lined up for you this month and we're so excited to tell you all about them now. At Yummy Jobs, we are so passionate about offering life-changing experiences, and spending your summer at camp is exactly one way to change your life. No matter what you're into and no matter what you're good at, there's something at camp for you. The American Camp Exchanges program allows you to work as either a camp counsellor or camp support staff at summer camps during your university's summer break. All your meals and accommodation is provided for the duration of the summer, and you can work in positions such as general, faith-based, special needs and specialist camp counsellors, or even a camp lifeguard. If you're looking for a summer filled with fun, this is your one-stop place to go. Located only 1 mile away from the most popular theme parks in the world, the Delta Hotels Orlando Celebration is located in the quaint town of Celebration in Florida. The town of Celebration is 20 acres of lush landscape, surrounding a gorgeous lake, superb shops, exceptional dining, championship golf courses, and like I said, America's most sought after theme parks. Delta Orlando has endless recreational fun, and it has 2 swimming pools and a water slide, and has recently been renovated. This unique one-of-a-kind 12-month programme will have you rotating around the rooms division within the hotel. The rotations can include front desk, PBX, reservations, and even a rotational role in housekeeping as a supervisor. Participants can choose to stay in housing at the Delta, or participants are able to find their own housing if they would like. This is certainly a programme that you do not want to miss out on. Our third and final property that we want to highlight for November is the JW Marriott Savannah Plant Riverside District. The JW Marriott opened in August 2020 and offers a work experience unlike any other, where pursuing your passion is not only welcomed, but is actively encouraged. The JW Savannah Plant Riverside District is not only Savannah's most luxurious hotel, but also a vibrant entertainment destination and inspiring experience. From incredible dining to high-end shopping and live music, there's something elegantly curated about the experiences, stripping away the unnecessary to reveal the exceptional. For this property, we're offering 12-month programs in rooms division, food and beverage, culinary, pastry, and management and training for food and beverage. Housing on this program is self-sourced, but we will provide help to find accommodation before you start. To view all of our J1 programs and to see where else you could potentially work in the USA, feel free to head over to yummyjobs.com. Thanks for watching, and we hope that you let Yummy Jobs take you on an adventure.